Hello, let's take a look at the types of operators. And in this video, I'm going to explain about arithmetic operator. So let's start. Arithmetic operators are used for basic mathematical computations. So by basic mathematical computations, I mean operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or finding some exponent values. Okay, so when you need to perform addition or subtraction on any variable, then the symbols are very common to all of us, which is plus and minus. To perform a multiplication operation, please do not go for the cross symbol or the dot symbol, which you may be using in mathematics. But when you are using this in a program, so you must go for the asterisk symbol. Okay. Next, to perform division in Python, we have three separate operators, which I would be discussing elaborately in the code window. So just take a look at them. The first one is a single slash. The second one is a modulus operator, which is denoted by the percentage sign. And the third one is a double slash, which is also known as the floor division in Python. And the other one is used to find the power of a value. Let's say you need to find what is 2 cube, then you can use this exponent operator, which is double asterisk. Okay, so let's not waste time and start with the code window. So here I'm going to assign two variables. First one I would name as n1 and the value for it would be 10. Second variable I'm giving is n2 and the value is 3. Okay, so we have two variables. Let's see how they work. So if I have to perform the addition, like, okay, so let's start with the operations. So the first, so let's start with the operations. First, I'm going to take two variables, n1, which holds the value 10, and n2, which holds the value 3. Okay, now let's say we have a variable named result, and inside result, I'm going to add n1 and n2. So the operator which I'm going to use is definitely the plus symbol. Let's say we'll print the value for result. Let's say what is the output. So definitely we get 13 as the output. Now what if I perform the subtraction operator over here? See, I have just replaced the plus symbol with the minus symbol. So see, I get 7 as the output because 10 minus 3 is 7. Now if I need to perform multiplication, I will just use this symbol, which is known as the asterisk, and run the code. See, I get 30. So you can see just by changing the operators, we get several different results. You can see that just by changing the operators, we can get our desired output. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the division operators one by one. When we have to divide 10 by 3, so how are we going to get the output? So let's say I am just writing n1 slash n2. I'll run the code. This is my output. So you can understand, by giving a single slash operator, we get the output in a decimal version, or which we call as a floating point number in computer programming. So here there is no remainder, and the remainder is actually converted to the point, and the output comes like this. But if you want a whole number, or let's say you want the quotient in a integer version, then you need to put double slash, and see, you get the output as 3. Okay. Now, if you want to get the remainder by dividing 10 and 3, then you just have to use the percentage symbol. The percentage symbol is actually known as the modulus operator. So now we get the output as 1. When we divide numbers, I'll just explain like this, like 3 and 10. Okay, these are the numbers that we were dividing in the code window. So we all know that 3 3s are 9, and here we get 1 as the remainder. So see, when you want the quotient in this form, which is the integer number not containing fractional versions. So we just use, so to get this kind of quotient, we have used n1 / n2. And to get the remainder, please remember we use n1 modulus n2. Don't mistake this by the thinking this is the percentage symbol, because this is known as the modulus operator, which gives us the remainder of two numbers. And now if you want the quotient in this form, let's say we are dividing 3 and 10, so it's like 3 3s are 9. Here we have 1, and then by putting a point we can give 0 over here, and then we can keep on counting like this. So you can understand that we get the output like this, which comes with 3.33333. So if you want to get the output in this form, then we have to divide n1 / n2. So these are the three different division operators in Python. Please remember them and don't be confused. Okay, now coming back to the code window, I will show the use of the exponent operator. Now let's say we have to find the power of 10 raised to this number, that is n2. Whatever is stored in n2, that one we will be using to find the power of that number. So now we just need to use double asterisk symbol over here. If I run the code, I get the output as 1000, that is 10 cube is 1000. So I hope you are clear with arithmetic operators. If you need any suggestion or if you have any questions, you can leave your comments in the comment section and watch the next video to learn about the other operators.